Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi again, my name is Sam and I review tech stuff. So as I said, today we'll be checking out this. This is the new BOYA microphone from BOYA. So it's the BOYA BY-PM300. It's one of the new USB microphone, and yes, it is Type-C. So a huge thanks to BOYA for sending this out for me to take a look at. And let's get this video started. So this is the box of the BOYA BY-PM300 USB microphone. On the front we can see the microphone itself, then on the right side it's just the microphone again, and then it says, with excellent cardioid pickup pattern, the BY-PM300 is focused on picking up sound in front of the microphone and effectively reduces unwanted background noise. On the back we can see the features right here. High quality desktop USB microphone, ideal for home studio recording, podcasting, vocal performance, etc. Compatible with most Android phones, Windows and Mac computers. There's gain control, a headphone volume control and a mute function. It supports a 3.5mm headphone jack with excellent cardioid port pattern, and it's a durable detachable microphone desktop stand. So we can see all the specifications here. You can pause the video if you want to take a look at it. And then on the other side it just says BY-PM300 on the bottom, nothing. Now let's open up the box. Okay, so on the top we can see something. We have the BOYA sticker, pretty nice. We have a warranty card that you need to fill up, and of course the user manual. Then we have this foam thing that we need to slide out. So this is the microphone, I guess. Let me just try to take it out. Okay, so there's two pieces right here and a foam thing. Then we get this BOYA like quality check sticker or qualified certificate. Then let's check out, there's other small things, and then this foam padding that protects it is really nice for shipping. Let's check out what's inside here first. Okay, so there's actually two items in the first packet. So it's a USB Type-C cable. It's pretty nice, I guess. And then we also have this screw thing. Let's open up the second one. Okay, so second one is again a cable. So it's a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Last but not least, we have the mic itself. So I'll put everything aside and we'll take a look at the mic. So let's take a quick look at the installation guide. It just says that you have to put the microphone down into the screw hole and then use the provided screw to screw it in, and you can adjust the angle. And then this is to turn it on. As you can see at the back, you have the gain and then you have the settings right here. So this is the main compartment of the mic. It still has a bit of plastic on it. Really nice. So there's some stuff on the top and it appears to be kind of scuffed. Maybe because of the shipping, but it's a bit like scuffed on top here. I can see it. And on the bottom you have this screw to screw in the microphone to the base. Now let's screw it in. So I just screwed it in. It's actually quite easy. All you have to do is just screw this thing into the base, and then you can adjust by doing this. And you can adjust the mounting position you want. Overall build quality so far, it's not that bad. It's a mesh of like plastic and metal. It feels quite decent to me, and the base has a weight to it, so it won't just like drop down. So on the back of the mic we can see BOYA logo, the BY-PM300, then there's the Type-C cable or Type-C port, And then down here we have the 3.5mm headphone jack for headphones. On the left side we have the gain control, so it goes from minimum to maximum. On the right side we have minimum to maximum again, but then this is for the controlling of the headphones and the mute button. So this is how the BOYA BY-PM300 USB microphone sounds like. Currently I have it connected to my computer through the USB-A, connected to the Type-C behind this microphone, and I have the gain set to 50%. So honestly, I think that it's a really interesting mic, and the sound quality sounds actually quite good. It does cut out the background noise pretty well, and the sound clarity is quite okay. So I'm going to compare this to the next microphone, the BY-MM1. Let's do this. So this is how the BOYA BY-MM1 sounds like. It's going to be for comparison with the PM300. So I've been using this BY-MM1 for a few years now, and I think that it still sounds very decent and very good for the price. So if you're interested with this one, links will be also in the description below. But this is just going to be a testing and comparison to the BY-PM300. So yeah, that was it for a quick sound comparison, unboxing and review of this new BY-PM300. I hope that the sound comparison with the BOYA MM1 made some sense to you guys. I just wanted to put two BOYA mics against each other because I do not have other mics. So I think for the price around 250 ringgit, this is a quite interesting microphone. The build quality is decent, it's part plastic, part metal, and the sound quality is quite okay in my opinion. So if you're looking for a kind of budget mic for around 200 ringgit that looks awesome, it kind of reminds me of the Blue Yeti honestly, and has decent sound quality for your meetings or your games, I would recommend this. Links will be down in the description if you are interested. So a huge thanks to BOYA for sending this out for me to take a look at. So if you like this video, you can leave a like. If you dislike this video, you can dislike this video. Subscribe if you haven't. I have more tech stuff like this coming very soon. And as always, thanks for watching and goodbye guys.